Welcome back. Now once you've completed the editing, you'll then be ready to produce your video for sharing in its final format. And so to do that, you're going to go to the export area. And you will then have some choices to produce your final video. Now if you are looking to produce your video as an MP4 file, you're going to simply use the local file link. Now depending on how you've last used Camtasia, you're going to have a default setting. You're going to want to click this drop-down menu and your choices will then be available to you. Now you will be able to produce videos that are shared on cloud-based platforms. However, in most cases, if you are going to produce a video, you're going to choose the resolution that you want for your video to be produced. Now, when you produce it at the highest possible resolution, Camtasia will determine the dimensions of your recording and how high of a resolution that you can actually use. In this case, we're going to produce an MP4 video. We're then going to click Next, and we're then going to click Finish. And Camtasia will then start the rendering process in order to produce your final video. Once the production process is complete, what you can do is you can click the Open Production folder. This is where Camtasia saved your final video file, and it's from there that you can begin using your video file. And your video file is then ready to be used. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.